on framing the interior of the shipping container. And right now, all we're putting in is what's absolutely necessary to start with. So with this sticking out an additional 4 inches, we were able to put our 2x4 stud for the wall there.
Studs.
And we have our bottom plate and our top plates. And we're only putting vertical studs where the top plates either begin or end, or where they are going to be on the side of an opening, like a window or a door, and then in the corners. So we'll go back, once we get this done all the way around, we'll go back and then do all of the measuring and figure out where additional ones need to go in order to actually hold up whatever we decide to put on the walls, whether it's drywall or shiplap or whatever we decide to put on. So we've got this one long wall done all along here, and we have one short wall done, and now we're halfway down this side. So we'll get that side finished tonight, maybe? I don't know. We're not gonna get it all done tonight, because it's getting dark.
Yeah.
But that's why I wanted to come on and talk too, because the camera's having a hard time. It's still good outside, but inside it's having a hard time adjusting to the light in here.
Yeah.
So now we got to move some stuff in order to finish down this side. And there'll be a dividing wall down there, 8 feet from the end, which you can't really even see, I guess. So 8 feet this way from the end will be a dividing wall, which will give us a back room.
Right about
quote.
here maybe.
Yeah, and so then that's going to help hold this side of the wall up too, because this is the last opening here that'll be held to the shipping container, but having that dividing wall across there will hold the rest of that wall up, and then at the end it'll be held over by the end wall. So
That's right.
yeah. So I'm gonna sign off for now. We'll probably continue to work, but it's not gonna.
It's 7:30 right now, so we might work another half an hour.
Yeah, I'll put it back on Super Seed and see what we get.
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll see what happens. We're just gonna see if we can finish off this one.
That would be awesome.
And we're gonna get all this up on top of here so we can get along there.
Okay.
So yeah, we will keep working on it in super speed.
All right. Continued what we're continuing.
Yeah.
So
It was a continuation of the continuation.
continuing
Of the continuing of
Of the
continue to
continuation.
continuation.
to continue.
Yeah. Yep.
We have put in the 2x4s wherever we needed them in order to meet up with an ending on the top plate or the bottom plate, and along all of the openings, so like right on the left and right side of each window and the door, to basically attach the wall to the exterior of the shipping container.
Say it like in construction.
Yeah.
You did it 2 foot on center.
Well, no, that's not what I was talking about at all.
Okay. Wasn't sure what you were talking
Then, so what we did was very non-traditional construction, because we're working inside a shipping container, so what we're doing is not structural. And we went around and we put verticals around all of the openings, so all of the windows and the door, and then put top plates on and bottom plates on.
Did those, attached them to the window sills, which are attached to the metal frame.
Around the window.
So right there, these boards here are our entire support structure on the inside.
To hold the walls out.
Yep, and then we attached 2x4s to those, so they're definitely not going anywhere.
So those are the verticals.
And this was the basis of our support for all 4 walls right here. From there, we put up
A top plate and a bottom plate. And we put verticals wherever the top plate and bottom plate.
So for instance, you may not be able to see from where
They
you're
can.
at, but like this board right here, it basically connects 2 10-foot 2x4s at the top.
Here, hold on. It's coming.
Okay,
There we go.
so right up there, it connects 2 2x4s, the 10-foot 2x4s we put across the top. We did the bottoms first, and like you can see over here, we did a 10-foot bottom. Wherever it stopped, we put another 10-foot bottom. Then we put an 8-foot 2x4 upright stud right there to connect those two. And we did that all the way around the whole thing. And we made sure we had a 2x4 stud to connect every single one of these connections. They weren't always the same at the top and at the bottom. So once we did all that, okay, the frame's essentially done. But then we had to put in more 2x4 studs in order to have them evenly spaced for...
That one's shaped like a banana.
I know, right?
It's probably not a very good example.
Not a great example, but hey, it's gonna work.
We'll go over here.
Yeah, we'll go over to another one, but that's fine.
So now we just finished putting in all of the verticals that give us our 2 foot on center, so that we can put up whatever we decide to put on the walls.
Yeah.
Because it'll be a
Whether it's gonna
4
be
foot by 8 foot sheet
drywall,
or
beadboard, whatever.
right.
Some kind of 4x8 sheet that we're going to use to attach it. And again, it doesn't have to be really sturdy, because I mean, this is already attached.
The structure is
The
the
structure
shipping
is super
container.
sturdy now.
Yeah. So now we have to put 2x4s across the ceiling,
Yes.
which actually is going to be easier to record, because that for some reason is not as dark.
Alrighty.
More light bounce.
Yeah.
So that's what we're moving on to.
Yep.
2x4s across the ceiling. Actually, no. We have a few places, like above that window, there has to be a little shorty.
Yeah, a little shorty.
And then over here at this window, we need 2 shorties there, and another one at the top. So we got to go around and do some shorties.
Yeah, that's true.
So I'll put on super speed for that, and then we'll start working on this ceiling. Goodness. All right, back to super speed.
Yep.
Okay, the walls are framed. I think he has one more little board to put up there. One more. And then we have everything that is necessary, plus everything that makes it 2 foot on center. All the way around. So then we can work on the ceiling next. That's funny how we thought we were going to get to the ceiling today.
Should have been to.
But we didn't.
This is how not to do this, kids.
I'm not. Yeah, it's kind of a tight space, isn't it?
Yeah. Tight space. Weird angle.
Trick level. Oh, I see how tricky you are. Tricky Ricky.
It's awesome when it works.
I hear somebody coming. Oh no, it's a stinking wasp up here. Let's see. There he is.
This is a wasp. Who do you think was coming?
No, I thought it was a cat. I thought they were digging around out here. They're out here though because they're ready for dinner. And Gypsy is way over there. And I saw a gray cat. Gray cat and Bindi. Oh, there goes gray cat on the other side of the chicken run. And Bindi was out here, and Arthur was out here, and there's Gaius by the front of the chicken coop. Right there. Gaius! She's such a sweetie. And then the three little boys were out this way. Oh, they're way back there now. But they'll come when I call them for dinner. All done?
Yes.
Awesome.
All done.
So we are done for the day. We've got all the framing done on the walls. And then we can start on the ceiling. Yeah, I don't... This is what I'm getting right now. It's not attractive. Like, what are you... Like a bear steep bear or
I don't know.
something?
What do you want me to do? Like,
Yeah, that's much better.
we're all done.
We're all done. All right. That's a good break. That's a good ending, I guess. Okay. Gotta feed the cats, take care of the chickens, gather the eggs, and
Take showers,
take showers.
because I'm not sure what
relax.
species I smell like, but it may not necessarily be human at this point.
Yeah, I'm not gonna comment because I'm right there with you. If I had to guess, I would say something from the goat family.
Goat family.
But then that might be a knock on the goats.
Right. Yep.
All right.
Yep. Where'd they go visit the shop?
No, they just went. The little boys are out that way.
Right.
They're out this way.
Yeah.
But they'll come when I call. And Gypsy's there. Gray went back that way.
Yeah.
Gaius is right there. There's
Morgana's doing
Morgana.
a sexy pose.
Yeah. Camera's not picking it up though, it's too dark.
Too dark.
So that means I need to turn it off
Yep, turn it off. Time to go feed other people.
and say see you next time.
See you next time on Knight's Helm Farm Builds More Stuff.